Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites: admin credentials, enough disk space, and a clear backup target. Next, choose the backup type, full for complete copies or differential for smaller incremental work, because that effects restore time and storage. Once done, prepare the destination. Create folders, set permissions, and test connectivity to cloud or network shares. You must note the retention policy now. Make sure to document schedule and encryption settings so backups are consistent and secure. You execute the backup using the appropriate command or tool: backup database for SQL Server, pgdump for PostgreSQL, or your GUI scheduler, because precise commands control consistency. Include compression and encryption flags to save space and secure data. Add checksums to verify integrity. Once started, monitor the job. Watch logs, note duration, and check exit codes to detect failures early. If automating, ensure the scheduler logs rotate and notify you on non-zero exits. You finalize by copying backups to offsite storage, updating your backup catalog, and enforcing retention rules so old files are pruned. Then verify by performing a test restore to a sandbox. This proves your backups are usable and reveals configuration gaps. Once done, automate reporting and integrity checks to catch regressions. If something goes wrong, check logs first, then permissions, disk space, and network connectivity. These are the most common causes of backup failures and usually provide clear error codes to guide fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.